Alright, so we're back at it. We're going to throw the soft top on the last video. I just removed it. Now we're going to put it in place. This is the homie's car. Check it out. It was on one of the previous videos. Now he's done a bit more to it. He put that deuce kit. It looks pretty sweet. I think it's come a long way. It needs to get painted. But check that out. It's real low. And over here we're just putting the new top in. Right now he's just putting in this piece of the rain rail. Yeah.
Throw this on now.
This bad boy's ready. We're just leaving it on the frame, so it's not really like a full install. We're just gonna throw it back in and bolt her up. This time I found the right bolt sequence, the torque sequence for the rain rail. So I'll go ahead and throw that in, because I know a lot of videos don't include that, so I'll show you guys the right way. So this time it should be a nice snug fit. Alright guys, we already got it bolted down. I forgot to do an update on the video, so it's ruining the video. But so far we're putting on this. And that back rail, it's already synced up. We're just kind of bolting it all down. And then we're going to get it going in the proper sequence so it'll tighten correct. But yeah, it's going to look a lot better. And the window, it's a lot cleaner than the one I had on. There's no cracks, no yellowness. This is the old one I was working with. Rest in peace. Alright, so now this is all the way put on. We're just working on the last one. I forgot, I'm gonna have to take off these latches and put them on my on the new top. So I'm just taking off these screws here. That way we could close the top, because it's almost done. So there's those, and put all that together. Alright, check it out, and I threw the latches on. We're gonna add the final touch here. It's a SuperMiataBros sticker, so that's gonna go right up there. Since I took off the other top, I lost my other sticker, but this one's cooler. Alright, now we're just throwing the carpet back in, and then we're gonna put these seatbelt tower things back. Put it all back the way we took it off, and it should be good to go.